Hello students, today we will start exercise 2E. The name of this exercise is LCM. LCM. What is the full form of LCM? L stands for lowest, C stands for common, and N stands for multiple. So full form of LCM is lowest common multiple. Now what is lowest common multiple? Suppose I had taken two numbers 3 and 5. Two numbers I had taken 3 and 5. Now we will write the multiples of 3 and 5. Multiple means table you have to write. Multiples of 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. 3 4 ja 12. 3 5 ja 15. 3 6 ja 18. 3 7 ja 21. 3 8 ja 24. 3 9 ja 27. 3 10 ja 30. I had written the table of 3. Now I will write the table of 5. Multiples we are writing. What are these? These are multiples of 3. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So I had written the table of 3 also, and I had written here the table of 5. Now what you have to check, which number are common in both, common in 3 as well as in 5. So you can see here first number which is coming in both is 15. After 15 which number is coming? 30. So these two are common multiples of 3 and 5. ये दोनों क्या है? Common multiples of 3 and 5. So we got two common multiples. Out of these two, which one is the smallest? 15 is smaller. Which one is smaller here? Among these two, 15 is smaller. So we will say that lowest means smaller. Lowest common multiple is 15. So what is lowest common multiple? Lowest common multiple is the smallest number which is coming in both 3 as well as in 5. So full form of LCM is lowest common multiple. Now we will start solving some questions on the basis of this concept LCM. Now see question number first. Question number first is find the LCM by prime factorization method. You have to use prime factorization method और नंबर हैं आपके 144 and 270. These two numbers are given. You have to find LCM by prime factorization. So what you have to do here, इसमें आपको लेना है prime factor. Prime factor we will take separately 144 prime factor, and here we will take 270 prime factor. Prime factor method is this. So you have to take prime numbers. आपको क्या लेने हैं इसमें? Prime numbers लेने हैं. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. These all numbers are prime number. So we have to take prime numbers here. Okay. So first of all we will divide it with 2. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4. 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. 2 1 ja 2. 1 remainder, 1 and 6 will become 16. 2 8 ja 2 9 ja 18. 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3. Now here also we have to take prime factor. 2 1 ja 2. This will be divisible by 2 because at last what is coming? 0 is coming. So we will divide it with 2. 2 1 ja 2. Remainder 0. 2 3 ja 6. 6 we are taking. Here it is 7. 1 remainder. 1 and 0 is 10. 2 5 ja 10. Now at last 5 is coming. That means it is not divisible by 2. Now we will check it with 3. Next prime number is 3. So for 3 we have to add these numbers. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9. 9 is coming in a table of 3. So we will divide it with 3. 3 4 ja 12. 1 remainder. 1 and 5 15. 3 5 ja 15. 5 plus 4 5 plus 4 will be 9. That means it is also divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 5 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5. Now what you have to do? 144 answer you have to write. 144 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. All the numbers which are coming here we have to write here as multiply. Now next one is 270. 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now what you have to do? First of all you have to count how many times this 2 is coming in 144. 2 is coming 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 is coming in 144. Now we will count in 270 also. 270 how many times 2 is coming? 1 time. 144 it is coming 4 times, and in 270 it is coming 1 time. So which one is greater, that we have to take in LCM. So LCM is equal to, in this 2 is coming 4 times, in this coming 2 is coming here 1 time. We will take 4 times. 2 2 2 2. In the same way we will count 3 also. In 144 3 is coming 2 times, but in 270 3 is coming 3 times. Which one is greater? This 3 times is greater, so we will take 3 times. Now we will count 5. Here 270 5 is coming 1 time, but in 144 5 is not coming, so we will take this 5 1 time. Now we have to multiply these numbers. 5 to ja 10, 10 to ja 20, 40, 40 to ja 80. This 80 multiplied with 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. Last 0 will come at last only. 8 7 ja 56, 5. 8 to ja 16, 16 plus 5, 216. 0 is your final answer. तो LCM में आपको क्या करना है? You have to count each digits. This 2 digit is coming how many times in 144 and how many times it is coming in 270. जो बड़ी होगी that we will take in LCM. In the same way 3 को काउंट करा. 3 is coming 2 times. Here 3 is coming 3 times. कौन बड़ा है? 3 times बड़ा है, so we will take 3 times. 5 1 time it is coming. In this 5 is not coming. So which one is greater? 1 is greater. 5 times 5 is coming 1 time, so we will write 1 time. Now we will multiply it. Answer is 2160. This is first question, 6th part. So like this you have to do first question. Now see question number 2. Question number 2 is find the LCM by division method. First question you had learned which method? Prime factorization method. Now in this question you have to use division method. Second method is division method. So in division method what you have to do? Together we have to take both the numbers. In prime factorization method what we have done? 105 we will take separately and 175 we have to take separately. Both the numbers we have to take separately. But in this division method you have to take them together. Now in division method you have to remember one thing. With at least these two numbers, here two numbers are there. So here you have to write such number which will divide these two both. दोनों को जो डिवाइड कर देगा ऐसा नंबर लेना है आपको. Suppose if I will take here 3. Suppose if I will take here 3, then you have to check whether these 3 will divide 105 and 175 both or not. कम से कम दोनों तो हो. 2 number at least should be divisible by this 3. यहाँ 2 ही है तो दोनों ही चेक करने हैं. अगर 3 दिए होंगे तो आउट ऑफ 3 आपको कितने देखने हैं? 2 देखने हैं. कम से कम 2 3 से डिवाइड होने चाहिए. Now if we will divide this number with 3 से डिविजिबल कैसे चेक करते हैं? यू हैव टू ऐड दिस नंबर. 5 + 0 5, 5 + 1 6 आएगा. इनको ऐड करके एंड 6 इज कमिंग इन ए टेबल ऑफ 3. दैट मीन्स दिस इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. ये तो हो जाएगा 3 से. नाउ वी विल चेक 175. 7 + 1 8, 8 + 5 इज 13. 13 इज नॉट कमिंग इन ए टेबल ऑफ 3। 13 इनको ऐड करके क्या आ रहा है 13 आ रहा है, बट 13 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3, दैट मीन्स ये नंबर 3 से नहीं कटेगा। तो ये कट रहा है और ये नहीं कट रहा, सो वी विल नॉट टेक 3, हम 3 नहीं लेंगे। एटलीस्ट 2 नंबर कटने चाहिए, देन ओनली वी हैव टू टेक 3 हेयर। तो ये 3 से हो रहा है बट ये नहीं हो रहा, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल नॉट टेक 3, हम 3 नहीं लेंगे, वी विल टेक नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 एंड सो ऑन, दीज ऑल आर प्राइम नंबर। 2 से तो कोई सा भी नहीं होगा, 3 से हमने चेक करा इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3, बट ये नहीं हुआ। नाउ वी विल चेक विथ 5। 5 हाउ यू हैव टू चेक द डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 5, लास्ट में 0 या 5 होना चाहिए, देन इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 5। तो यहाँ 5 है, वहाँ भी लास्ट में क्या है 5, दैट मीन्स बोथ द नंबर आर डिविजिबल बाय 5, सो वी विल डू इट विथ 5। 5 2 जा 10, 5 1 जा 5, 5 3 जा 15, रिमाइंडर 2 रिमाइंडर 2 and 5 is 25, 5 5 जा 25। अब अगेन वी विल चेक विद 5, दोबारा किससे देखेंगे 5 से। 5 से ये तो हो जाएगा डिविजिबल, बट 21 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 5, सो वी विल नॉट टेक हेयर 5, यहाँ 5 लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, कम से कम 2 नंबर होने चाहिए, देन ओनली वी विल टेक 5। So we will check next number after 5, what is coming prime number 7, so we will check with 7, 7 3 ja 21, 7 5 ja 35, दोनों हो गए 7 से, तो 7 से कर दिया है, 7 3 ja 21, 7 5 ja 35। now 3 and 5 they both are not coming in same table, ये दोनों एक टेबल में नहीं आ रहे हैं, so what we will do, we will leave it here, इसको यहीं छोड़ देंगे। now you have to write LCM, LCM is equal to 5 into 7 into 3 into 5। तो आपको क्या करना है, ये दोनों नंबर भी लेने हैं और जो नीचे रह गए हैं those numbers also we have to take। now we will multiply these numbers, 7 5 ja 35, 5 3 ja 15। now we will multiply these two numbers, answer is 525। so like this you have to do in division method। तो क्या ध्यान रखना है, डिवीजन मेथड में यहाँ वो नंबर लेना है जो कम से कम 2 नंबर को डिवाइड कर रहा हो, अगर एक को करेगा डिवाइड तो हम नहीं लेंगे। तो ये हमने वही नंबर लिए थे जो इन दोनों को ही क्या कर रहे थे, डिवाइड कर रहे थे। नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ 35, 25, 45 एंड 75। वी हैव टू फाइंड द एलसीएम। इन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू 2 मेथड्स। इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैड डन प्राइम फैक्टर मेथड, इन सेकंड क्वेश्चन वी हैड लर्न डिवीजन मेथड, but in this question he had not given any method, so it's your choice, you can use any method, आप कोई सा भी मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं। so you can use any method, I will explain you with prime factor method। this question we will solve with prime factor method first। पहले prime factor method से करेंगे। for prime factor method what you have to do, prime factors of 35, 25, 45 and 75, we have to find the prime factors of these 4 numbers separately। prime factor method में क्या करना होता है, separately you have to find the prime factors। so what you have to do first, this number is divisible by 5, so we will take 5 7 ja 35, then 7 1 ja 7। next number is 25, this one is also divisible by 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5। next step, this is 45, this one is divisible by 3, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 is coming in a table of 3, so first of all we have to divide with 3। 5 से नहीं करेंगे, first of all you have to divide with 3, 3 1 ja 3, remainder 1 and 5 15, so 3 5 ja 50. 3 5 ja 15. Then 5 1 ja 5. First of all, you have to do with smaller number. After that, you have to take 5. Now this is 75. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is coming in a table of 3. So we will do it with 3 first. 3 2 ja 6. But there it is written 7. So 1 is remaining. 1 remainder. 1 and 5 is 15. 3 5 ja 5. 5 ja 25. 5 1 ja 5. Now what will be the next step? Next step is you have to write 35 answer is 5 into 7. 25 answer is 5 into 5. 45 3 into 3 into 5. 75 3 into 5 into 5. After writing this, you have to find LCM. So here you have to write LCM is equal to LCM in prime factor method. How I explained you in previous question for question number 1. First of all, we will take this 3. Now you have to check how many times this 3 is coming here. 3 is coming 1 time. In 45, 3 is coming 2 times. Here no 3 is there. Here also no 3 is there. So which one is maximum? This is 1 time and this is 2 times. 2 times is maximum. So here we have to take 2 times. जो ज़्यादा बार है उसको लेना है. Now 3 is over. Now we will take next number 5. 5 is coming how many times? 1 time. 5 is coming how many times? 2. 5 is coming 1 time. 5 is coming 2 times. So which one is maximum? 2 times is maximum. So we will take 2 times. Then one more number is remaining. 3, 5 is over. 7 is remaining. Only one 7 is there. No other place we are seeing 7. So this is only one number. So here we have to take 1 7. Now we will multiply these numbers. 3 3 ja 9. 9 5 ja 45. 7 5 ja 35. Now we will multiply these two numbers. Answer is 1575. So this is the LCM of these 4 numbers. So like this you have to do in prime factorization method. Now see question number 4. Find the smallest number. What do you have to find? Smallest. So here smallest means lowest only. So what you have to find? Lowest common multiple. LCM you have to find, which is exactly divisible by 18, 24, 36, 42. 4 numbers are given and you have to find the LCM. Method he had not mentioned in the question by which method we have to solve this. So previous question we had done with prime factor method. Now we will do it with division method. इसमें हम करेंगे division method. So first what you have to do in division method, we have to write all these numbers together. It's your choice. You can use prime factor method also. So division method, what you have to do? First of all, we will write all the numbers together. Separately we will not write. Now next step is at least 2 numbers should get divisible by the number which we will write here. Suppose if I will write here 2, then before writing here 2 you have to check out of these 4, 2 numbers should be divisible by 2. 18 it is divisible by 2. 24 it is also divisible by 2. That means 2 number हो गए हैं 2 से divide, so we will take 2. 2 9 ja 18. In this one 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. ये भी किससे होगा? 2 से ही होगा. 2 1 ja 2, remainder 1 and 6 18. 16 sorry. 2 8 ja 16. Now this with this 2 we have to divide 42 also. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. Now if I will write here 2, before writing I have to check कम से कम 2 नंबर 2 से कटने चाहिए. 9 is not divisible by 2. 12 yes it is divisible. 18 it is also divisible. So 2 numbers are divisible by 2, so we will do it. 9 as it is. 9 is not coming in a table of 2, so we will not do 9. 2 6 ja 12. 2 9 ja 18. 21 is not coming in a table of 2, so we will write it as it is. Now with a table of 2, if I will write 2, how many numbers are divisible by 2? Only 6 is divisible by 2. That means एक ही नंबर हो रहा है और कोई नहीं हो रहा. So I will not write here 2. Now I will check 3. 3 से कितने हो रहे हैं? 9 is also divisible by 3. 6 is also 2 हो गए. So we will do it with 3. 3 3 जा 9, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 7 जा 21. Now again we will check it with 3. दोबारा 3 से चेक करेंगे. ये भी हो जाएगा 3 से, ये भी हो जाएगा. तो 2 numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 1 जा 3, 2 नहीं होता है तो 2 we have to write as it is. 3 1 जा 3, 7 नहीं होता है, then 7 we have to write as it is. Now how many numbers are remaining here? 2 नंबर रह गए हैं, एक तो 2 और एक 7. ऐसा कोई टेबल नहीं है जिसमें 2 और 7 दोनों आते हों. So finally we will leave it here. अब इसके आगे हम सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे. Now you have to write LCM is equal to, LCM में क्या करना है? These all numbers 2 2 3 3 ये सब भी लेंगे और जो डिवीजन मेथड में नीचे रह जाते हैं वो भी लेने हैं, 2 and 7. Now we will multiply these numbers. 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, 12 into 3 2 जा 6 into 7, 12 6 जा 72 into 7. On multiplying these two, 504 we will get. So final answer of this smallest number is 504. तो division method में इस तरह करना है आपको. So like this you have to do question number 4. Any method you can use. I had used here division method. आप prime factor भी कर सकते हैं. It's your choice. Now see question number 5. Find the HCF as well as LCM. HCF भी find करना है, LCM भी find करना है. So in such questions where you have to find both the things, HCF as well as LCM, in such questions you have to do prime factor method, because division methods of HCF and LCM are different, so it is lengthy. That if we will do both the methods, division method of HCF and LCM, then question will get lengthy and it will take time. So in order to save our time we have to use prime factor method, जिसमें आपको क्या पूछा हो HCF और LCM, वहाँ पर क्या फाइंड करना, क्या यूज़ करेंगे मेथड, प्राइम फैक्टर मेथड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 90, देन वी विल फाइंड प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 144. 90, in the 90 at last 0 is coming, that means it will get divisible by 2. 2 4 ja 8, remainder 1, 1 and 0 will become 10. 2 5 ja 3, 1 ja 3, remainder 1, 1 and 5 is 15, so 3 5 ja 15, then 3 5 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5. So this is the prime factor of 90. Now we will solve for 144. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 18 ja 2 9 ja 3 3 ja 3 1 ja. So we had calculated the prime factors of 90 as well as of 140. Now 90 answer is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. 144 answer is 2 2 2 2 3 and 3. Now for LCM, what you have to see for LCM? How many times 2 is coming? 1 time. How many times 2 is coming? 4 times. Which one is more? 4 is more, so we have to take 2 4 times. Now we will check 3. How many times 3 is coming? 2 times. Here also how many times 3 is coming? 2 times. So we will write it 2 times. Now we will check 5. In this 5 is not there, but here 5 is coming 1 time, so we will take 1 time. Now you have to multiply these numbers. 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 22 ja 40, 42 ja 80, 80 and 3 3 ja 9. 80 into 9, answer will be 720. So this is your LCM. Now we have to find HCF also. For HCF, what you have to do? In LCM we are writing the number maximum time. जैसे यहाँ था 2 1 time और यहाँ था 2 4 time, तो maximum time कितनी बार आ रहा है? 4 बार. तो LCM में हमने क्या लिखा था? मैक्सिमम टाइम. बट इन HCF व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू टेक कॉमन ओनली, जो दोनों में होगा वो ही लेना है. 90 and 144, 2 is common, these 3 is common, this 3 is also common, 5 is not common in both. So HCF what you have to do, you have to take common numbers. तो common ले लिए. Now we will multiply these numbers. 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. So this is the answer of HCF and this is the answer of LCM. Like this you have to do in question number 5. Now going to question number 6. Find the smallest number. What you have to find? Smallest number. So smallest number means lowest number, so you have to find LCM. What you have to find here? LCM you have to find. Which when divided by 40, 60 and 100, that smallest number should get divisible by 40, 60 and 100. That means that smallest number should come in a table of 40 also, in a table of 60 also and in a table of 100 also. So such number we have to find which should get divisible by all the 3. So first of all what you have to do, we have to find the LCM of these 3 numbers. So in order to save the time we will use division method. Division method is easy, so we will use division method. 40, 60, 100. It's your choice. You can use prime factor method also. Now 40, 60, 100 we have to divide with 2. If we will take here 2, with this 2 40 will get divisible, 60 will get divisible, 2 numbers get divisible by these 2, so we will take it 220 ja, 230 ja and 250 ja. Now again with a table of 2, if we will divide here this number and these all 3 will get divisible, so we will do it with 2. Now we will not take 2 because only one number is divisible by 2, तो इसलिए 2 नहीं लेंगे. 3 we will check. With a table of 3 only 15 is divisible, so we will not take 3 also. Now with a table of 5 we will do 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 5 is 25. Now these 3 numbers are not coming in a same table. ये किसी सेम टेबल में नहीं आते हैं, so we will not do it further. You have to write LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into these remaining numbers also, 2 into 3 into 5. Now 5 2 ja 10, 10 3 ja 30, 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20. On multiplying these numbers we will get 600. But in question he said leaves 24 as the remainder. इसमें रिमाइंडर भी गिवन है, तो रिमाइंडर आपको LCM में क्या करना होता है, ऐड करना होता है. So what we will do, we will add remainder 24 in this LCM. So at last 600 plus 24 we have to do, answer will be 624. So what he is asking in the question, smallest number which when divided by these and this leaves the remainder in each case. So smallest number we have to find, so this is the smallest number, so you have to write here smallest number is 624. So what you have to do, first of all you have to find the LCM, then at last remainder we have to add, that will be your final answer. Like this you have to do question number 6. Now see question number 7. LCM and HCF of 2 numbers are this and this. What is given here? LCM and HCF are given 252 and 6. So first of all you have to write LCM. LCM is equal to 252. HCF is equal to 6. After that he said one of the number is 42. First number is 42. Find the other number. Other means second number we have to find. So second number question mark. Question mark means we don't know what is the value of second number. So here what you have to do, you have to use the formula. Formula is HCF मल्टीप्लाई LCM is equal to first number into second number. This is the formula. What is the formula? Product of two number. Product means multiply. Here I have taken multiply. So product of two number is equal to product of LCM and HCF. HCF value is 6, LCM value is 252 equal to first number is 42 into second number we don't know, so we will write second number as it is. Now what you have to do, this second number we have to make alone, इसे अकेले बनाना है. इसके पास कौन लिखा है? 42 लिखा है in multiply. ये दोनों आपस में क्या हो रहे हैं? Multiply. 42 we will bring on left side. When we will bring this 42 on left side, तो multiply वाली चीज उधर जाके क्या होगी? Divide. So 6 into 252 will be as it is. Divide 42. मल्टीप्लाई वाला 42 इधर कैसे लिखेंगे? डिवाइड में लिखेंगे. एंड दैट साइड ऑन व्हाट विल बी द रिमेनिंग? सेकंड नंबर. ये वाला एज इट इज उतार देंगे. 42 कहाँ चला गया? यहाँ से 42 इधर आ गया है डिवाइड. 6 1 जा 6 7 जा 42. बोथ द नंबर्स वी हैड कैंसल्ड विद द टेबल ऑफ 6. नाउ 7 1 जा 7 7 3 जा 21. रिमाइंडर 4 7 6 जा 42. So 36 is the second number which you have to find. He said find the other number. Other means second number. So second number is 36. So this is your final answer. Like this you have to do question number 7. Now see question number 9. Question number 9 is the traffic light at 4 different road crossings change after every 24 second, 48 second, 72 second and 108 seconds. 4 values are given: 24 second, 24, 48, 72 and 108. These all values are given in seconds. इनकी यूनिट क्या है? सेकेंड्स है. If they change simultaneously at 8 am, what is said in the question? All the 4 traffic lights changed at the same time at 8 am. Then when they will change simultaneously again, तो एक साथ दोबारा कब चेंज होंगी? पहले 8 बजे चेंज हुई थी, मॉर्निंग के 8 बजे एक साथ चेंज हुई थी. नेक्स्ट टाइम वो एक साथ कितने बजे चेंज होंगी? दैट ही इज आस्किंग इन द question. So in this what you have to do, first of all you have to find the LCM. Any method you can use, prime factor method or division method. Division करते हैं यहाँ. Division थोड़ा easy होता है. What you have to do, out of these 4 number at least 2 numbers should get divisible by 1 number that we will take. अगर हम यहाँ 2 लेंगे, all are getting divisible by 2. तो हमने क्या कहा था? एटलीस्ट 2 होने चाहिए. तो यहाँ तो सारे ही हो रहे हैं. सो वी कैन टेक 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 2 2 जा 4, 2 4 जाए 2 3 जा 6, 2 6 जा 12, 2 5 जा 10, 2 4 जाए. अगेन विद 2 वी विल चेक हाउ मेनी नंबर आर डिविजिबल. दिस वन इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल, दिस वन इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल. 2 तो हो गए हैं, तो आप कर दो इन्हें. 2 6 जा 12, 2 12 जा 24, 2 18 जा 36, 2 2 जा 4, 2 7 जा. अभी भी 2 से हो जाएंगे 2. देन अगेन वी विल डू इट विद 2. 2 3 जा 6, 2 6 जा 12, 2 9 जा 27 नहीं होगा, तो 27 ऐसे ही करेंगे. टेबल ऑफ 2 ओनली 1 नंबर इज डिविजिबल, दैट इज 6. तो हम नहीं करेंगे 2 से. नाउ वी विल चेक फॉर 3. 3 से ये भी हो जाएगा, ये भी हो जाएगा. 2 हो गए, तीसरा भी हो जाएगा, चौथा भी हो जाएगा. 2 हो रहे हैं ना. देन वी विल डू इट विद 3. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 9 जा 27. अगेन विद द टेबल ऑफ 3 ये दोनों हो जाएंगे. नाउ 3 1 विल बी एज इट इज. ये नहीं होगा, दिस इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3, सो वी विल राइट एज इट इज. 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9. अब बचे कौन कौन से नंबर हैं यहाँ? 1 नहीं देखना है. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 आर रिमेनिंग. 2 और 3 एक टेबल में नहीं आते हैं, सो वी विल लीव. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, LCM. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 आफ्टर राइटिंग दीज वी हैव टू राइट दीज रिमेनिंग नंबर ऑल्सो, ये बचे हुए भी लिखें 2 into 3, 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 3 जा 24, 3 2 जा 6, 6 3 जा 18. Now we will multiply these two, 24 and 18. 432 is the answer. These all numbers are in seconds. ये कैसी यूनिट दी थी इनके लिए? सेकंड. तो ये आंसर भी आपका किस में आएगा? सेकंड्स में आएगा. एंड यू नो वेरी वेल 1 minute इज इक्वल टू 60 सेकेंड. 1 मिनट में कितने सेकेंड होते हैं? 60 सेकेंड. सो दिस सेकेंड्स वी हैव टू चेंज इन मिनट. अगर इस सेकेंड्स को मिनट में चेंज करना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? डिवाइड बाय 60 करना पड़ेगा. सो 432 डिवाइड बाय 60. तो अब ये किस में बन जाएगा? मिनट्स में बन जाएगा. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, इन दोनों को डिवाइड करें. 60 430, 67 जा 420, माइनस करेंगे 12. तो दिस 7 विल बी मिनट एंड 12 विल बी सेकेंड. तो ये ऊपर जो आंसर आएगा वो किस में आएगा? मिनट में आएगा. और जो नीचे रिमाइंडर बचेगा दैट विल बी सेकेंड. तो आंसर हो गया 7 मिनट 12 सेकेंड. क्वेश्चन में बोला था दो ऑल द 4 ट्रैफिक लाइट्स एक साथ कब जली थी? 8 AM पर चली थी. नेक्स्ट टाइम एक साथ कब जलेंगी? तो नेक्स्ट टाइम एक साथ कब जलेंगी? 7 मिनट 12 सेकेंड बाद जलेंगी. यानी 8 बजे के बाद 7 मिनट 12 सेकेंड जब हो जाएंगे तो दोबारा से वो एक साथ क्या होंगी? ग्लो करेंगी. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट? 7 मिनट 12 सेकेंड बाद है ना, तो बाद मीन्स पास्ट 8 AM. तो दिस इज योर आंसर. तो आपको क्या लिखना है? पास्ट 8 AM. पास्ट 8 AM का मतलब 8 बजे के बाद. कितनी बाद? 7 मिनट 12 सेकेंड बाद वो एक साथ दोबारा से क्या होंगी? ग्लो करेंगी. सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. सो नाउ rest of the parts you have to do in your homework. In case if you are having any doubt, then you can comment in the comment box. I will explain those questions in next video.